Hello friends, welcome to C Sharp Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. Now you are watching part 3 of the sub-series Getting Drive Information from C Sharp Windows application. In this video, we are going to enumerate all the drives and display that in the list box. So when you click Get Drives, we will enumerate the drives, then we will display the enumerated drive content, in the enumerated drive in the list box. In the first video, we learned about DriveInfo. Then we talked about the example. And in this video, we are going to implement this get drive functionality and listing that here in the list box. So that's what we are going to implement here. So first we need to include the namespace system.io. Why? Because this get drives and DriveInfo, all these classes comes from this namespace. In the form load, we clear our label. So below the progress bar there are two labels, right? So we are clearing those labels. Then when user clicks the get drive, here if you see DriveInfo, that's the class. This class is coming from system.io. Then we are making call to get drives. So this get drive is a static method. So that's why we are directly calling this method from the class name itself, DriveInfo.getDrives. So this will give collection of DriveInfo. So we are having the array of DriveInfo and we named it as drives. Then we are forming a for each loop based on this drives, and in each iteration we will get DriveInfo, because this is an array of drives, right? Then from this DriveInfo, drv is the variable name, right? Here we are calling the name property and we are adding that to our list box. So the implementation is quite simple. So now we can directly go to the demo and start implementing this code. So first we will go to the code and we need to include the namespace system.io. Yes, io is the namespace. Next we need to handle the form load. So just clicking somewhere in the form, double clicking it, this will land into the form load, and here we are clearing the label. So here we are displaying label 3, right? That's what we are clearing now, and you can see those labels are get cleared. Next we will handle this button click. So here if you see, first we are getting the drives, and DriveInfo is the class from system.io. You can see provides access to information on your drive, and here we are making call to get drives, and you can see that get drives return DriveInfo. So then here we are forming the for each loop and we are populating our list box lst drives. We are populating the list box .items.add, and here we are using this drv.name. So this name gets the name of the drive. Here if you see, these are all the drive I have, all are logical drives. Now let's run this. Here you can see C, D, E, F, G, I. So all these logical drives are displayed here. Just now you saw the demo. Thank you for watching. Bye.